acoustic guitar. Morning sunlight spills through the window pane. Soft coffee scent drifting in the air. Rolling hills like waves in the distance, and my heart finds a place to rest. Leaves whisper as they dance with the breeze. Time stands still in this quiet retreat. With every sip, the warmth sinks in. The mountains sing their gentle tune. Slowly, softly, they embrace me. In this moment, everything feels right. Clouds are passing, birds take flight. Maybe my worries will fade away as I empty my cup and close my eyes. Peace fills me once again, a missing piece of my weary heart. Could I find it here once more? With every sip, the warmth sinks in. The mountains sing their gentle tune. Slowly, softly, they embrace me. In this moment, everything feels right. The wind and coffee gently hold me, and I just want to stay right here. The wind and coffee gently hold me, and I just want